Hello guys and welcome to AI Plus More, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can create fillable PDF forms using Canva. Okay, so we're not only going to be using Canva for this one, but if you have Canva Pro on Canva, you'll be able to use a lot of these amazing templates without really having to work a lot on designing one. Especially you also have access to multiple elements that can make your fillable form better. And you can access that by checking down the link in the description down below. Now, we have here a template of a fillable form, but right now, it's not really something that people can edit. So even if you download this, what it will be will just be a normal PDF file, so they can't click on anything. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to download this as a PDF file. So right now, I'm downloading this, and let's just save this into our PC. And then what we need to do is to head to a website. So the website I'm going to be using is something called Seda over here. So we just need to upload our PDF file that we just downloaded from Canva. And as you can see, we already have this now. And now we just need to fill in the necessary parts. For example, so what you need to do is you go over to forms up here, and then you click on text. So it adds this field that people can use in order to type what they need to be write down here. For example, their full name. So you can just copy this so we just need to do the same thing all over again, going to forms, then continue adding until you are done. So I'm just going to keep adding the parts that we need to fill down here. All right. Okay, and then once you're done, you just go ahead and click on apply changes and then download the file. And then once you've downloaded the file, you'll be able to access it. So I'm just going to open the file here, and as you can see, now I can type on this PDF file. So I'm just going to put my name. So anyone that has this file can now edit it however they want to use it. So that's it. That is how you can create a fillable PDF form using Canva. I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Hello guys, once again this is Kim, and I would like to thank you all for watching this video, but don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get more free tutorials for your everyday needs. And come on, once again, let me tell you, it's free, okay? So if you change your mind, you can always unsubscribe later on, but I would suggest not to do that. Please, 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 please.